Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 179 Northcliffe Drive in Greece.
This is a spectacular designer showcase property on a private cul-de-sac. So let's take a tour.
There's nothing like family and friends gathering in the great room. With a beautiful eat-in kitchen with maple cabinetry, a tile backsplash, an island with a breakfast bar and deck access. Open to a family room with a wood-burning fireplace and pocket doors. And a dining room with great natural light. The first floor also features a spacious living room with modern barn doors, plus a powder room and laundry.
The upstairs features 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including this spacious master suite.
This private, fenced-in backyard features exquisite landscaping and an entertainment-sized deck, perfect for enjoying the outdoors.
This property is situated on a cul-de-sac at the end of Northcliffe Drive, a very special community of fine homes.
Nearby is Lake Ontario and beautiful parks.
Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 179 Northcliffe Drive in Greece.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!